The poverty rate in Ethiopia has been on a decline for the last 10 years due to several factors including increased agricultural activities and investment in education. As a result, the country's economy and quality of life have been improving. The World Bank reported that the national poverty rate of Ethiopia decreased from 38% to 24% between 2009 and 2019. There have been both strides and setbacks in the process of decreasing poverty in Ethiopia over the years. However, the developing nation needs to do much more to stay on track. As we continue with this video, consider subscribing to our channel if you're new, and turn on our notification to always get notified each time we drop a video. Stay tuned. One of the main ways that Ethiopia has improved its poverty rate is through increased agricultural activities, which are the backbone of its economy. Data from 2019 shows that the majority of the population, approximately 80%, live in rural areas. Additionally, the World Bank estimated that in 2019, approximately 67% of employment was in agriculture. For Ethiopians, agriculture is a vital part of their income. As a result, one of the most effective ways of targeting poverty in Ethiopia is stimulating the agricultural industry. The Ethiopian Agricultural Transformation Agency has been identifying and remedying obstacles in Ethiopia's agricultural industry since 2010. The Agricultural Transformation Agency provides a platform to address the most critical systematic bottlenecks constraining fulfillment of agriculture sector goals and targets identified by the government. Another project that is positively impacting Ethiopia's agricultural industry is the Second Agricultural Growth Project. This project began in 2015 and aids in commercializing and increasing agricultural production. All of this work has been paying off, and according to a report published by the International Food Policy Research Institute, Ethiopia's total agricultural output in 2014 had risen an impressive 124% since 2005. With agriculture playing such a large role in Ethiopia's economy, a continued focus on expanding and commercializing this sector of the economy should continue to help eradicate poverty in the country. Another factor that has helped in reducing Ethiopia's poverty rates is a decrease in fertility rate. The fertility rate is a measure of the average number of children per woman. In Ethiopia, the fertility rate has fallen from approximately 6.5 children in 2000 to 4.1 children in 2019. Fertility rates often correlate with poverty because the birth of fewer children results in a smaller drain on the nation's resources. Countries with lower fertility rates can often offer better resources to citizens because more resources are available to each child. Another way Ethiopia has reduced its poverty rate is by strengthening private sector growth and development, especially in industry, as means of achieving off-farm employment and output growth, including investment in necessary infrastructure. Unleashing the potential of the private sector in Ethiopia is critical to achieving productive job creation and productivity growth by increasing how much output is realized from a given amount of input. One of the reasons why Ethiopia's private sector was lagging behind is that the private sector is characterized by a small amount of large and unproductive firms. So, improving and strengthening firms' productivity, how firms operate, how markets facilitate exchange, and how international trade has helped to create productive jobs and shared prosperity, thereby reducing Ethiopia's poverty rates. Progress in education in Ethiopia has coincided with substantial reductions in poverty and improvements in food security, health, and nutrition. Due to the nation's economic growth and decreased poverty rates, more schools are likely to open, causing enrollment rates to rise. The British Council projects that the number of tertiary students in Ethiopian education system will increase by an additional 1.7 million students by 2025. Further, the World Bank stated that Ethiopia should reach lower middle income status by 2025. These growth rates are profoundly promising to the development of the nation. Over the past 10 years, there have been great steps forwarded towards decreasing poverty in Ethiopia. While these improvements are cause for celebration, It is also vital to address the poverty that still exists in the developing nation. All too often, people see progress as a sign that efforts are working and that they can simply maintain them or even cut them back. Ethiopia's recent success is an encouraging sign, but one that needs to spur, not curtail further action. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.